Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Teleprompter feature in InShot. It's super helpful tool that lets you read your script smoothly while recording your voice. If you often forget what to say when recording, this feature will save you. Okay, let's jump right in. First, what exactly is a teleprompter? A teleprompter is like a moving text screen that helps you read your lines naturally while you're recording a video or voice. It scrolls automatically so you don't have to memorize your script or look away from the camera. And now, InShot has this built right into the app. Okay, next just let's open InShot like this and then just go to your projects, or you can also create new projects, for example like this, and then just tap on audio and then just choose record this one, and then on here you will notice a small teleprompter icon appear on the screen like this. That's what we need. Just tap on it, and then here where you can paste or type your script. Once you paste your text, so just hit the record and the teleprompter will start scrolling automatically while you speak. For example, I will copy a script like this. For example, I will just copy this text and then I will copy to InShot like this. Like this. And then you can also adjust the speed if the text scrolls too fast or too slow, so it matches your speaking pace perfectly. Just tap on gear icon, this one, and then in here you can just adjust the scroll speed and then adjust the size, and even you can also adjust the color of the font by tap on the colors that you like. For example, you choose green, so it will show the green font like this. And then when you're done with your settings, just tap on checklist like this, and then just start record your voice like this. With this feature, it will make recording tutorials, voiceovers, or any kind of narrations so much easier and more natural. But what if the teleprompter icon doesn't appear in your InShot app? Don't worry, here's what you can do. Just go to Google Play Store like this and then just search for InShot, and then just check if there's an update button. Just update it, and then if you already updated but still don't see it, just open your phone settings and then go to app and then just search for InShot and then go to storage and then just tap on clear data and then just tap on clear cache. After doing this, we open the app and the teleprompter feature should now be visible. And okay, that's it. That's how you use the teleprompter feature in InShot to record smoother and more confident voiceovers. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!